In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use two-factor authentication with eSignatures. If you've been looking for a simple, secure way to protect your electronic documents, this is exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you'll know how to enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, and apply it to your eSignatures, making your digital signings not only faster, but much safer. First things first, let's break down what two-factor authentication is and why it's so important. When you sign a document electronically, it's essential that only you can access and sign it. With two-factor authentication, you add an extra layer of security. Instead of just entering your password, you'll need a second form of verification, typically a code sent to your phone or email. This makes it far less likely for anyone to access your documents without your permission. To get started with two-factor authentication and eSignatures, you'll need to select a platform that offers both features. I've tested some of the most popular options out there, and the software we'll be using today has a great balance of security and user-friendliness. You'll find a link to a free trial of the software in the description below, exclusive to viewers of my channel, so you can follow along and start using it yourself. Once you've logged into your software, go to the security settings. Look for the option to enable two-factor authentication. This will typically involve adding your phone number or connecting an authenticator app. It's a simple process that only takes a couple of minutes, but it's crucial for protecting your digital signatures. Now let's set up your e-signature. Most e-signature platforms allow you to set up an identity verification step before you can sign a document. With 2FA enabled, this becomes even more secure. When you're ready to sign, the software will prompt you for your 2FA code. This code will either be sent via SMS or generated by an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Authy. Once you enter that code, your signature will be verified and your document securely signed. It's important to note that enabling two-factor authentication doesn't just protect your e-signatures, it adds an extra layer of security to your entire account. This means your personal information and documents are much less likely to be accessed by unauthorized individuals, even if they have your password. Key takeaway: two-factor authentication is a must when using e-signatures. It adds a simple yet powerful layer of security to your digital documents, ensuring that only you can sign and access them. Don't skip this step. It's an easy way to safeguard your digital identity. To recap, we've covered how to enable two-factor authentication, how it integrates with eSignatures, and how this simple security measure can protect your sensitive documents. Don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to start using this software today and follow along with the tutorial. Thanks for watching and stay secure.